In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to watch NFL Plus on TV. Let's get started. To watch NFL Plus on your TV, you first need to download the official NFL app on a compatible smart TV or streaming device. Keep in mind that the content available on your TV depends on NFL Plus subscription tier and the NFL's broadcasting restrictions. To get started, turn on your TV and open its App Store, such as the Roku Channel Store, Fire TV App Store, Apple TV App Store, or Google Play Store. Search for the NFL app and download and install it on your device. Once the app is installed, open the NFL app and go to Account or Settings section. Sign in using the same NFL account credentials that you used when purchasing your NFL subscription. Make sure you use the correct account so that the app can recognize your active NFL Plus membership. If the NFL app asks you to scan a QR code or sign in through a TV provider, don't select that option if you purchase NFL Plus directly. TV provider sign-in is intended for viewers who receive NFL programming through a participating cable or streaming TV provider. Instead, look for the option to sign in with your NFL account and use your NFL Plus subscription credentials. Once you are signed in successfully, you can access the NFL Plus content available with your subscription directly through the NFL app on your TV.